to something. Start when I said, 'cause I feel like you're up to something. But then you're up to something. Start
Security drill. Please remain calm and do not deviate from your assigned route. This is a security drill. Thank you for observing all safety precautions.
Oh, they've got such better chances.
For decades, Phalanx has been delivering tactical security to sensitive research locations across the world. It has access to the latest satellite tracking technologies and boasts a 48-hour response time to any location on the globe. Phalanx is authorized by most international governments to use any reasonable force to achieve its objectives.
That's where so Phalanx is taken over.
The facility you are about to enter is one of Phalanx's most recent acquisitions, and potentially its most exciting. Phalanx was deployed to this location when excavations near the long-established Nemises site revealed hidden cave systems extending for several kilometers below ground.